What are you working on? Brought to you by Dake. If you have the dream, we have the tools.
Today's What Are You Working On comes from Rick DeMonge from Omaha, Nebraska. And when it comes to vehicles, Rick says that he's always liked two things. He liked the Blue Angels C-130 Fat Albert and the Pro Street Look. So Rick said he picked himself up a 1966 F-100 pickup and decided to make his own street version of Fat Albert. Now check out this truck. This thing was pretty rough when he started, but it was all there, so it was the perfect project. So the first thing he did was put in a Camaro front subframe to get some handling on this thing and get some good brakes underneath it. Then he stuffed in a Pontiac 400 engine just to be a little different. And fortunately, he had a lot of good help in the form of his son. The interior was also completely gone through, so it would be a little more comfortable than your typical farm truck. And after all the paint and body work was done, this is what he rolled out, his own version of Fat Albert. Yeah. Now, a lot of people like this thing, including a lot of judges. Check out this. And you know his son is going to cherish that trophy forever. Now, Rick says it took him 12 years to do this project, and he couldn't have done it without a lot of great friends and a very understanding wife. And as you can see by this picture, it is now Rick's turn to be very understanding with the keys to the truck. Rick, you should have bought her a diamond, man. Now, obviously, Rick, you do a lot of metal work, so what we're going to do, we're going to give you a brand new Dake Arbor Press to help you out on your next project, and we're going to give you a year's subscription to Hot Rod Magazine so you can get some ideas for your next project. Now, for the rest of you guys, if you'd like to get involved in this, maybe get your project featured on the show, maybe get some of this stuff, you got to send some pictures in to What Are You Working On? We'll do our best to get it on the air. Also, don't forget to check us out on Twitter and Facebook. We've always got something going on there, too. Now, the time has come for you to get out in the garage and twist some wrenches. We'll see you next time.